You can start monitoring your Golang applications on Linux with our early access offering. Click on Add Data, select Service, proceed by typing in a name for your application service, select the environment as Linux, and select the language Golang Early Access from the drop-down menu. Click on Next. This is where you would specify the API token to be used when sending the collected service data. You can choose to generate a new one by selecting Generate New Token and typing in a token name, or you can use an existing token and select the token from the drop-down menu if there are any. Let's generate a new token by typing in a name for the token and click Next. Install our APM library using the go-get command given. Initialize a library as given here. It is mostly done in the main function of your project. Instrument the code by using any of the supported libraries in OpenTelemetry Go contrib, and for SQL, we support exam/OTLSQL. OpenTelemetry provides a registry for these libraries. You can also manually instrument using the OpenTelemetry SDK. Lastly, set the service key and ingestion endpoint as environment variables. Wait for the Go library to connect successfully to the SolarWinds APM collector, and the Waiting for Connection button will change to OK. Click OK to finish setting up the service.